अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड करूँ। The question number 2, in which if P and Q are whole number such that P multiplied by Q is equal to 37. And then we find the value of P plus Q and explain your answer. The given question is question number 2. P multiplied by Q is equal to 37. And we know that 37 is a prime number. And prime number has only two factors, the number and 1, which is 1 multiplied by 37 is equal to 37. In this, the two factor 1 and 37, the factors of 37 number, and Q multiplied by Q is equal to 37. So P and Q are 1 and 37. And then we find the value of P plus Q, which is 1 plus 37 is equal to 13. P, in which if n is a whole number such that n multiplied by n plus 42, n plus 42 is a prime number. But we know that 42 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. And we add a number, whole number, which is n in 42, and again n is multiplied by the value of n plus 42 and we get the prime number. Here 42 is a composite number, but the next number, which is 43, is a prime number. So n is equal to 1. When it is added in the 42 number, we get 43, which is a prime number. And 43 multiplied by 1 is answer 43, which is also a prime number. We solve it. 1 multiplied by 1 plus 42. The answer is 1 multiplied by 43. And we know that 43 is a prime. In which express 2026 as a product of its prime factors. 2026. And their prime factors are, we know that when any last digit of a number is even, it is divided by 2. So this is 2 multiplied by 1030. 2 is a prime number, and also 1013 is also a prime number. And this is the first part of the question. The two prime number, which is 2 and 1013, are prime numbers, and multiply each other we get 2026. It is our answer of first part. And the second part is A multiplied by B is equal to 2026. And in part 1, we know that 2 multiplied by 1030, we get the product is 2026. So A and B are the product of 226. So the factor of 2026 is 2 and 1030. And the value is 273. These are the little cubes, and we make the cubes cuboid by these cubes. So First we factorize 273 and factorize it. First it is divided by 3. 3 nines are 27, 3 ones are 3. And the next is 7. 7 ones are 7, 2 carry 21, 7 threes are 21, and the last is 30. So 273 cubes, we find a cuboid whose dimensions are 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 30 is equal to 273. If A and B are whole number such that A multiplied by B is 2027, and find the value of A plus B. A multiplied by B is equal to 2027. First we factorize the 2027, but we know that 2027 is a prime number. So its factors are 1 multiplied by 2027. The answer is 2027, because we know that the factor of prime number is R2, 1 and the number itself. So 1 multiplied by 2027, the answer is 2027, and it is equal to A into 2. And we find the value of A plus B. So 1 plus 2027 is equal to 2028, and x multiplied by y is equal to 2022. 2022. Write down all the possible pairs of xy. Keep in mind x is less than y. So first we find the two coordinates of 2022. The pairs are 1 multiplied by 2022. The answer is 2022. And the pair is 1 and 2022. The first is x and the second is y. And according to the question, x is less than y. And the second is 2 multiplied by 1011. The answer is 2022. And the pairs are 2, 1, 0, 1. And the next is 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Then the sum of the number is 6. 3, 6 are 9. That number is divided by 3. So the other next factor is 3. We divide 2022 by 3. 2022 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. 2 22. 3 6 are 3 7s are 21. 1 12. 3 4s are 12. And the next is 674 is equal to 2022. And the next is, because 2022 is divisible by 2 and by 3, so it is also divided by 6, which is, we divide it by 6. 2022 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. 2 22. 6 3s are 18. 4 2. 6 7s are 42. And the answer is 337, which is equal to 2022. And the next pairs are 3 674, 6 and 337. These are the cubes used. Total cubes used is equal to 210. and there are 6 possible cuboid made from the 210 cubes, small cubes, and we write any 3 of the values. And means we break down the 210 cubes in the cuboid dimensions. The first is we divide it by 2, we get 210 divided by 2, the answer is 105. And 105 divided by 3, 3 threes are 9, 1, 5, 3 fives are 15, and the next is 35 divided by 5, it is 7. So from these breakup of cubes, mean these are the prime numbers of these cubes. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 35, 105. These are the possible factors of 210, and we arrange them in different measurements. The first is 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 threes are 6, and it is divided by 210, we get 35. It is the first possibility of dimension of the cuboid. And the next is 2 multiply by 5. 2 fives are 10 when divided by 21. The third is 20. It is the second. The third is 2 multiply by 7. 2 sevens are 40. Divided by 210, we get the answer is 15. The fourth is 3 multiply by 5. 3 fives are 50, and we divide it by 210. The answer is 40. The fifth is 3 multiply by 7 multiply by 10. This is the fifth. And the sixth is 2 threes are 6 multiply by 7. 6 sevens are 42 multiply by 5. And these are the 6 possible dimensions of the cuboid by using 210 cubes in the question. (504) cubes used in cuboid. And first we factorize the value of the 504 cubes, which are 504 divided by 2. 2 twos are 4, 1 carry 10, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4. The next 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 carry 12, 2 6 are 12. And the next is 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. And then 3 twos are 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 7 and 7. And we arrange these cubes to find the cuboid whose perimeter is 20 centimeter and possible height of the cuboid. Arrange them. 7 3s are 21. Multiply by 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So these are the possible dimensions of cuboid height and perimeter. It is 21 into 24 is the answer of the question 12.